Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2007 Dodge Caravan Radiator. 30-minute job. Alright, so first you're going to take off this valance piece, just held in by a couple of screws here, 2 10s, and 2 push pins. And that piece will come out. Next, you're going to take off the upper radiator frame, 2 13s on each side, up and out of the way. Next, upper radiator hose right here, clamp, tension clamp, pull it off, goes out of the way. Radiator comes out, bolt here, another bolt right here, 2 10s, disconnect your 2 fans, full radiator assembly comes up. And remember, going back in, this setup right here has 2 push pin or 2 lineup pins for the radiator to sit, so it's going to go flush and straight down in. Because down at the bottom, you can barely see it, there's no bolts at the bottom. It's more of a guide where the radiator itself just slides into. So it'll come straight out. Radiator itself is not held in by anything else. The condenser got 2 little squeeze clips on the side. I'll show you. I'm sure you're used to those. Pair of pliers or fingers, squeeze them, pull it loose. Same thing on this side, pull it loose. The bottom half is the same thing as what the radiator or the fans have itself. They just slide into place as far as a guide. Lift up on the condenser on both sides, move it closer towards the front. Then you have access to the lower radiator hose, another constant tension clamp. Take it off, take the hose off, drain the coolant, take the radiator out, put it back in. This is literally a 30-minute job for myself. Oh, also moved the purge valve out of the way to give more access for movement of the radiator and stuff for taking it out. That's just a me trick. You guys don't have to do it, but it was in my way, so moved it out of the way. But other than that, put it back in, fill it up with coolant, let it burp out the air bubbles, and away you go. So I'll be finished with this in about 5 minutes. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.